What's up, YouTube? It's your girl Lexi. You already know we back again with another video. Okay. What's up, YouTube? You already know we back with another video. This your girl Lexi, and you already know, and I already said that. Yeah. Anyway, I just want to say, your girl made it. Your girl. First PR package for free, and it's a heavy box. The company is called GoodMolecules. I love that. Excuse the hair, by the way. It's called GoodMolecules, and we're gonna go through the box. I haven't went through the box. I got excited because they said 2 to 3 weeks. I mean, they said 1 to 2 weeks, and it took 4. But hey, we're here. They didn't forget about your girl. We're gonna do an unboxing, so stay tuned for the video. Period. All right, so we opening the box. We opening the box, which is really cute, and it says see a difference in your skin. Get it. Anyway, let's move on to see what we got in the box. All right, so this is the box after we take everything out. I mean, as in the stuffing. And first, they have a niacinamide brightening toner. Niacinamide brightening toner. Discoloration correcting serum. Overnight exfoliation treatment. Ultra hydrating face oil. Y'all see that? And these are some really cute packages. Really cute and affordable, because so you get this at Ulta. You can actually get it at Ulta. And they just sent the card of like that you can buy from Ulta. This is the steps. And then these are their best selling products. And as you can see, prices are pretty affordable. Okay, so I already cleaned my face, so we're gonna start off with the toner. Let's get into it. Put a little sauce on there. Rub it together, smack it. No, I'm just playing, but this is how I put on toner. It doesn't have a scent, so I guess that's great for people who like have a problem with the scents. Oh yeah, and then the postcard said that they keep all the ingredients on the side of the box, so you can actually read how much they put in each box. They're not like any other skincare company, okay? They're on their game. So first, because it's exfoliating, I'm gonna use the treatment first. So let's get that. So we're just putting on the treatment before the serum. And you can use this up to 3 days a week. And I really like how it feels. All these are unscented, I believe. And that's what I like, because a lot of people are like, you know, sensitive to scent. So if you are that person, just to let you know, this might be the stuff for you. It feels really nice, guys. Like, I'm not even just saying that. I didn't get paid. I don't get paid to for them. Yeah. Next is the discoloration correcting serum. Oh, it says shake well before. Sorry, hold on. And the only places I really got discoloration is like under my eye. But for the girlies with hyperpigmentation, I had to break that down. Yeah, this is probably for y'all. Alright, I'm gonna be completely honest with y'all this far. I love it, bro. My skin feels really good. Really good. Like, excuse my bags, but Look. Alright, let's get into the last part. Alright, last but not least, because they say use it lastly, this is the oil. So yeah, this one they want me to warm up in between my hands and then put it on. Please read instructions, because that might be why y'all stuff don't be working, because y'all don't read. But yeah, hold on. Alright, it's rubbed. So the question is, would I shop with GoodMolecules? Yes, they prices are affordable and the products is like really. So I will continue to do this skincare over weeks, so we'll see how my skin changes from now until then. So y'all know I'm not lying. So tune into the next video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.